Hey Johnny, it's your Uncle Bill, and I'm here to read you another book. This book is called Cat Traps. Cat wants a snack? Cat sets a trap. Cat gets a bug? Ugh. Cat wants a snack. Cat sets a trap. Cat gets a pig? Too big. What do pigs say, Johnny? Pigs go oink, oink, oink. Cat wants a snack. Cat sets a trap. Cat gets a fish? Swish. Cat wants a snack. Cat sets a trap. Cat gets a frog? What do frogs say, Johnny? I think frogs say ribbit, ribbit. No, dog. Cat wants a snack. Cat sets a trap. Cat gets a duck? Bad luck. Cat wants a snack, so the cat sets a trap. Cat gets a cat? What? Drat. Cat wants a snack. Cat sets a trap. Cat gets some chow. Chow means like food. So he finally got some food. And you know what the cats say? Meow. All right, so that's Cat Traps. And as always, we love you. Bye-bye.